In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the auto lock time on your iPhone. Auto lock means how long your screen stays on before it turn off automatically. By default, the screen turns off after 30 seconds. If you want to change that time, just follow these simple steps. First, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Inside display and brightness, scroll down a little more. Here you'll see an option called auto lock. Tap on it. Now you can choose how long you want your screen to stay on. You will see options like 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 4 minutes and more. For example, mine is currently set to 4 minutes. I personally like to keep it at 1 minute. So I will tap on 1 minute. Now you can see your auto lock time is set to 1 minute and that's it. Your screen will turn off automatically after 1 minute of no activity. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like the video and subscribe for more easy iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.